Okay folks, I'm going to do the next question on the video as well. Just get it all in there. The question is question number 6. The diagram shows part of a map. It shows the position of a lighthouse and a boat. Okay. The question says the scale of the map is 1 to 10,000. That's the scale. Look at the real distance between the lighthouse and the boat. We've got some slight variation between like 1 millimeter. So I'm getting an answer here of approximately 7.8 is my distance. So I've got 7.8 centimeters. Now to change that, I'm using the scale. I have to multiply it by 10,000 and then divide it by 100 to change the answer back into meters, because I want the answer in meters. So we can cancel those two off. So 7.8 times by 100. So my real distance is 780 meters is the first answer. The next question says, find the bearing of the lighthouse from the boat. Which means that we start from the boat and we got to go that way. So this is the angle. This here is the angle that they want. So what we can do, we can just measure the inside angle instead and then minus 360. So let's do that. Not a good idea. Yeah. Right, let's measure that angle. I'm getting, on my question, 50 degrees. This angle here is 50. So, if that was 50, what's my angle going to be, the one I need? That's going to be 310 degrees. So, the answer would be the bearing of the lighthouse from the bearing of this from this is 310. And the distance 780 meters. That's end of question number 6. Okay, question number 7, folks. I want everybody to have a go at question number 7 first. While you guys have a go at question number 7. Stop the video.
What was this one?